Picture this, a traveler fills out the form on booking.com and within 15 seconds they get a call. On the line there's a voice AI agent that sounds human. It asks where they wanna go, checks hotel availabilities with live prices, looks at the weather forecast and even suggests the best restaurants, museums and attractions nearby. Before the call ends, it delivers a personalized itinerary and it's not limited to just one place. This agent works worldwide and today I'm going to show you how. By the way, if you are new to this channel, I'm Tanish. I'm the founder of Talknetic. I help businesses cut their cost and save time with the things which can be automated using voice AI. Every week, I open 3 free consultation slots. You can find the link in the description. Go and grab them before they are gone. So let's jump on a setup. So this is the form which I'm going to fill and after that I will receive a call. So let's start by filling this form.
A few moments later.
So I've submitted my details. Let's jump on make.com. Call has been triggered. I have received the call.
Hello, thanks for choosing Booking.com. Where are you planning to travel, Alex?
Yeah, I'm planning to travel to Chicago.
Awesome. Do you want to know the best places to visit Chicago?
Yeah, sure.
Wow, Chicago is a fantastic pick. Quick highlight. It's known for its vibrant art scene and iconic landmarks. Top spots include the Cobby Gupta Gallery and Clarence Buckingham Memorial Fountain. Would you like me to check the weather for your trip date, find hotels, or draft a full itinerary?
Yeah, check the weather please.
Okay. What's your second date?
Yeah, the check-in date will be 29th of September.
Great news. On September 29th in Chicago, expect a high of 25.5 Deck C, a low of 18.4 Deck C, and no rain. Perfect weather for exploring. Want me to add activities and hotels to a personalized itinerary based on that weather?
Yeah, please check me the hotels.
Sweet. Let's find the perfect stay. I'll need a few details. What's your second date?
Yeah, I already told that's 29th of September.
Got it. What's your checkout date?
It will be 1st of October.
Perfect. How many adults will be traveling?
Yeah, 2 adults and 1 child.
Great. And how many rooms will you need?
We need 1 room. The resources used in this video are linked in the description. Go and get them for free.
Awesome. Results for your dates. The Whitehall Hotel, BW Premier Collection, Arlo Chicago, and Fairmont Chicago Millennium Park. Which one looks good to you? Shall I include this in the itinerary?
Yeah, please include all of them in the itinerary.
Yeah, I am creating your itinerary now. Please wait a minute.
Sure.
Sorry, a few more seconds. Perfect. I'm compiling your full itinerary now. Please hold on a moment while I put it together. All set. I've sent your personalized itinerary to your email. Check your inbox shortly. Want me to check anything else for you?
No, thank you. Thank you.
Goodbye.
So yeah, the call was ended. Let's go and check our email. So I have received the itinerary. So you can see this is the mail. And let's open it. So this is the itinerary which AI assistant has created for me and it's for Chicago. You can take a look. Day 1 which is 29th of September. Day 2 is 30th of September. And day 3 the farewell is October 1. So it has also included the names of the restaurants, attractions and museums. You can take a look. This Diner Purple Pig which is the restaurant. And also it has the prices of the hotels and it's for 1 room because I told it to check it for 1 room only. So now let's jump on make.com. I can show you that here also. So you can see it includes the prices. Chicago $397. You can take a look. And yeah, so this is my full itinerary. You can take a look. Now I'm gonna give you a breakdown. So let's jump on Vapi. So this is my agent, booking.com. You can pause the video and read it, but it's also in the description. And now I will scroll down. And voice configuration is Vapi earlier. Additional configuration is nothing. Transmap is DeepGram Nova 2 English. Tools, I have used 4 tools. You can take a look: report make, price hotel, weather tell, place details. And predefined function is and call function. And now let's jump on a messaging part. So you can see this. Now I'm going to show you the tools. First one is place details. You will get the name of the place and trigger it when they will ask about the place. It will suggest the attractions, museums and restaurants nearby. So it will just check the name of the city, and this is the URL of a make.com scenario. And my second function is weather tell. It will check the weather for the specific date, which is the check-in date in this case, but we can check it for the whole trip. But I have just included for the check-in date. You can, if you want, you can just tweak it and make it for the full trip. So parameter is city and check-in date, which will be in the format this, and the URL is still the same. And now my third tool is price hotel. It will check the price of the hotel and their availabilities. So yeah, trigger when they will ask for the price. And it will take more properties. First is the city, which is the city name, the number of kids which will travel with them, rooms, the number of rooms which they want, number of adults in the trip, check-in date and check-out date, and it's still same. And now my last one is report make. It will create a report for the person, which is the itinerary. All the parameters are the same as they were in price hotel, but there is an extra parameter which is the first name, which is the name of the person which the agent will get from the form which they will fill. Server settings and server viewer is the same. Now let's jump on our make.com scenario. So firstly, this branch will be triggered whenever anyone will fill the form. So we'll get the details here, and this branch will be triggered. You can take a look. The first name, email and phone number exist. So in that case, we'll just initiate a call. You can take a look, and this is my JSON, and the call will be triggered. And after that, if they ask for, let's say, the weather, so in that case this branch will be triggered, and the function is weather tell. So firstly, we will get the latitudes and longitudes of the city. In this case, I am using a special URL, which is this. It's of OpenStreetMap, and yeah, you can put anything here. And method will be get. It's the city name. I can show you. It's this city name, which is Chicago in this case. Format will be JSON, limit is 1, and after that we will get the latitudes and longitudes of that city. We will check the weather. I'm using this URL. We will check the weather. Get, accept encoding identity, user agent this, latitude and longitude, and we need the maximum temperature, minimum temperature and precipitation probability. And time zone is auto, it will automatically fetch the time zone. Start date is check-in date. Date will also be check-in date, because I'm just checking it for 1 day, but if you want you can go and check it for the full trip. So I will get the response. This, the maximum temperature will be around this, so you can take a look here. So maximum temperature will be around 27.6, minimum temperature around 25.8, and there will be 81% of chance of rain. So this is my first function, and my second function is place details. So it's still the same. We will get the latitude and longitudes of the city, how we got here, and now we'll get the attractions. So I'm using this URL, and you can take a look. So I want actually attraction like museum, gallery, theme park. So I'm using this. So it's the 5,000 meter around the city. So this is my latitude and longitude. Consider them as coordinates. So it's 5,000 in radius around that point. It will be 5,000 in radius, and you can take a look. So after that we need the iterator. It will store the elements. I can show you. It will show this. These are the elements, and elements actually contains tags, and tags can be this thing, and tags actually contain the name of the attractions. And after that there's one filter. Tags name English, tags exist, that means attraction exists, and its type, which is tourism. It can be attraction, museum, it can be restaurant, museum, so that should exist. So after that we'll go and use this. We will use this text aggregator, so we will get our attractions in a specific format. And this is my webhook response. Some places to travel are this. You can take a look how the text look like this: river fort attraction, Mayam fort attraction. So yeah, it will go and check the availabilities and the prices of the hotel for the full trip, and we will get the city ID. In this case I'm using a special API key which is from maccorps.com. and I have given the name of the city, and I will get the document ID for the city. You can take a look, and here also the API key is the same, which is for Mac Ops, and I will get the city ID, which is its document ID. Pagination is 1. Currency, I need the results in USD. Check-in date, checkout date, tax to, because I need the tax to be included. Adults, it's number of adults going to the trip. Rooms, in the call I told there were 2 adults and 1 child, so we need 1 room. So yeah, so after that we'll get this. I'm not sure, like, there is some problem with this API key, but the result was something like this. So I just passed it into a set variable module, and after that similar thing we did here, iterator, and this we need the name and price. You can take a look. We need only 4 hotels at max, but if you want you can make it for more hotels, maybe for 10, 6, 7 according to the availability. It's completely dependent on you. So now we'll get the response, which is the hotels and their prices are this. And again we will do the same thing, which is my 4th report make. So firstly we will do the same thing, get the latitudes and longitude of the city. We will check the weather. Similarly, like we did above, get the latitude and longitude of the city, get the attractions, and iterator for the attractions. You can take a look how it looks like. Kavi Gupta Gallery, Clarence Buckingham Memorial Fountain, attraction. I just went for 2. You can take a look here. So actually there were many attractions, but I decided to go for only few, which needs to be included in the itinerary. But yeah, you can increase it, no problem. So this and this, there are many attractions in Chicago. So according to my filter I only got 2. Now we'll get the city ID, like how we got it above. We'll get the hotels and their prices. You can take a look. This is the price. The hotel name is All of Chicago, and this is the webhook response. Yeah, I'm sending you the itinerary to your email. Tools, it contains the details of the hotels and their prices, the same thing which we did above here. And now it will go to the iterator, then text aggregator, because we want it in a specific format. And the filter here is that we want less than 4 hotels. So in that case we are only getting 3 hotels. So look, All of Chicago, this, and it's with the price. And now I will go to my ChatGPT module. So I'm using phone not latest, and this is my prompt. It will create the itinerary. If you want you can just pause the video and read it, but I have included this in the description, so I don't think there is something to worry about. So now this is the thing, Google Docs. So I found a cheap way to send the itinerary. Instead of creating a email and using an API key, I just created a Google Doc, and that I will be saving to the Google Drive, and I will be sending that link to the email. The name will be itinerary and name of person, which is I think Alex here. Content, which will be the result, this thing, your personalized itinerary, my drive, and this is the fold. And now Google Drive, it will search for specific files and folders. You can take, so yeah, so it will search for this, and the name is here itinerary Alex. So it will search for itinerary Alex, and after that here we will convert that into a share link. This was my file ID. I needed a file ID in this case, file ID of itinerary Alex document. So after that we will create a link. It's a shareable link, so we will drop that into our email. You can take a look. Actually we need the HTML tags to maintain the gaps and proper formatting. So yeah, so this is my fullmake.com scenario. What you just saw is real, and it's working right now. Most booking platforms lose leads between the form fill and the follow-up. This voice here closes the gap instantly by engaging travelers, answering in real time, delivering itineraries, and working for any city worldwide. It's not just the automation, it's the global travel concierge that sounds human. I'm offering 3 free consultation slots. Go and get the link. Also the resources I've used are linked in the description, so you go and download them for free. See you all in the next video. Till then, goodbye.